Welcome back to my channel, Our Anxiety. Another day living with my anxiety. I hope you guys are doing good and I hope you guys have accepted all of these things because acceptance is the key of anxiety recovery. Today's topic is about slow down in anxiety recovery. So this I personally experienced and I just wanted to share few things about this slowdown, how I used to behave when in anxiety. Even now I'm in anxiety, but in the peak of the anxiety. So what I used to do, I used to be like always in the rush. Say for instance, if I'm going to the shopping and just go and get whatever is required and come back quickly, and I was not even going to the other area, other section to see what is there, because I always in that fear, like I'm not safe here. If I am in the taking shower, then also I used to finish quickly. If I am cooking, I was like, I just want to finish this cooking and I just want to go to bed. So I was in that mindset. I don't know why. Every time whatever the task I was doing, I just want to finish that quickly and I just want to move from that place. These things I used to do. So this is one small example when I realized about this. So my son was sick. He got a cold and fever, and the chest congestion was there. So and it was night, late night, and I did check his saturation, and it was showing 94. And I was like, oh my god, it is showing 94. It's an emergency. We have to go to the ER and we have to show, or else something worst will happen. I was getting panic and I was acting that urgency, you can say. And I was sweating, and just to see, just I saw it was showing 94. And my husband told, wait, slow down. Why are you behaving like this? He is having cold, he is having the chest congestion. Wait, let's see. He's not dropping instantly, right? Just wait. And he gave him nebulizer, and after nebulizer it got increased and it came back to the normal. It came around 97 or 98. That day I realized why I am in this hurry. I know 94 is it's we need to take attention, but why I am in that urgency that something worst has happened already, right? Because see, when you are in anxiety, the nervous system itself behaves like that. Nervous system, it becomes so sensitized that even small things it considered as a danger or emergency. So that day I realized somewhere I am doing not only these things, everything I am rushing. My husband told, see, these days I am observing you and you are always in the rush. There is nothing danger, okay? Slow down and do your work. There is no hurry that you have to finish your cooking in this time. It is not a competition, right? Take it easy and do it slowly. And that day I realized, yes, I was rushing everything, okay? And from that day, to be frank, if I am doing any rush also, I'll tell my mind, slow down, and I'll do it slowly. And this is how we have to teach our nervous system. There is no emergency, there is no danger. Even the shopping mall also I used to go, and I was like, okay, I have to buy these things, okay? I was like, go there, get only that and come back immediately. Everything I was like in the rush only all the time. So but now I'm not doing that, and I see changes. I see a lot of changes. Even the cooking time also, if I do it hurriedly, I tell myself there is no rush, okay? This is how we have to teach our nervous system. There is no emergency or no danger, slow down. This is one of the powerful thing we have to include in the recovery journey. I think you guys also can relate to this. How many of you are doing the same thing like me? Because this is also one kind of behavior we get in our anxiety. Here, what most of people don't realize, so when we keep doing that rush, unknowingly we are sending signal to the brain that there is an emergency. So brain learns from our action, not just the thought. Remember this. Every time we do this escaping or that rush, and the brain thinks, okay, so she is rushing and that means there is a danger. So brain learns that way, and brain next time brain will behave that way only. So there is no danger. Your heart start racing thinking that there is an emergency, because brain will send the signal to the hearts, okay, there is an emergency. Okay, that's why I'm saying we have to slow down and we have to teach brain there is no emergency. I know life is a race, but here, when it comes to the anxiety and panic attack sufferers, so you guys need to understand slowing down means slowing down our nervous system and teaching our nervous system there is no danger, there is no emergency. For example, if you are washing your utensils and if you are doing it quick, say slow down, do it slow, there is no emergency. If you are walking fast, say slow down, there is no emergency. If you are doing shopping or if you are taking shower and if you are doing it hurriedly, say your brain slow down, there is no emergency. This is how we have to teach our brain that everything is not emergency, everything is not danger. So brain will learn that way, and this applies to our recovery journey also. And what we are doing mistake, we are constantly checking our symptoms, we are constantly behind of the recovery, saying that oh my god, when I will recover, when these symptoms will go away. We need to slow down here too. Stop chasing your recovery, and recovery will happen when you start living your life without chasing it. If you start chasing the recovery, then it will start run away from you. So understand this, and also please apply this and you will see the changes. Slow down and recovery will chase you. Okay, let me give one assignment to you guys today. Do one thing. Okay, take any task, okay, for example, even going out or buying something, anything. Okay, any task, pick any task, deliberately do 20% slower than usual. Okay, and tell me in the comment section what your mind says. Okay, if the mind says rush it, you have to tell mind slow down. Okay, and tell me how was the behavior over there, and just let me know in the comment section. Definitely you will see the changes here. Okay, so do this assignment and let me know in the comment section, and trust me, slow down is a powerful thing which we should include in the recovery, which I had already included, and I see the changes. Definitely you guys will also see the changes. Okay, if you are relating to this video, please subscribe to my channel and support me, and also let's make a community of our anxiety and let's share all our problems here. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Bye.